Welcome, guys. Do you know how amazing it can be if you can create your own music by yourself, like without having to go to a studio to record any music or gather some instrumentalists to create some beautiful tone for your music? But you can create your music right here using this particular software called flowmusic.app. Just go to your Google, type Google Flow Music, or just type flowmusic.app, as you can see at the top right corner, the top left corner here. So just type flowmusic.app. It will take you to this interface. Then you register with your Gmail address, so you will land straight on this particular interface here. So I want to create a particular music, so I'm sending a prompt to it. So this is the prompt I'm sending to it. So I will paste it. Give me a reggae gospel music with deep bass and choral voices. So I'm going to send this prompt. The moment I send it, then I will come back and play the music this particular software generate for me. So you can come here, just click send. The moment I send it, so it's going to take some time before it gives me different options of music it actually produced for me regarding this prompt I sent to it. So I will come back and play the music for you. So I'll see you shortly. Now the music are already been produced by this particular software. So I'm going to, so it actually gave me two different options. So this is the first one created by this. So I'm going to click it and let me see what I got from my prompt. So let's hear it. But now I feel holy fire here. Your presence makes the air be clear. Oh, you break the chains of my faith. Wow, I believe you can hear that one sounds. So that's the first option. Then if I don't like the first option, I can let's play the second one and let's see how it's going to sound. Chains are falling down. For 40 years my people walked in fear. So can you see how amazing those outputs sound? Like it's kind of very hard to tell someone that this particular music I just played just now, like, is being created by AI. So it's very difficult to believe. So but that is what AI can actually do for you. So you can actually create any music of any length on this particular software. But this particular software works with credit. The moment you've exhausted your credit, you won't be able to produce any further music. But this is what I do. Like, if you want to, maybe you want to create an maybe a music for a particular company, and then you've already used up your credit, you can sign up with another Gmail address, a new Gmail address, so you get a free credit to create any free music you want to create. So let's quickly go through some of the options at the left corner of this particular software. So this is a playlist. For playlist, supposing you've had so many you've had so many songs that you've already created using your prompt, so you can arrange those songs together and they form your playlist and automatically form your own album. So you can create your own album using this particular software. So you click on new playlist, you describe your playlist, the name of the playlist, so you upload your musics here and all the rest of them. So you can create playlists from here. So this spaces, for spaces, you can space is like a chat domain where you can create what's it called, some any music, like you can create some musical instruments, like playable musical instrument in your spaces, so no, that can resonate well with your music or with your chat. Then for music videos, you can also create music videos, but this one will actually make use of more credit than normal music that we created in the first time. So if you want to create music videos, like, it requires more credit than the normal music prompt, as you can see here. So you go through these instructions for you to know what it takes to create a music video. So let's come back. So this is project, this is profile. Your profile are your details, like your login details and all the rest of them, the name of your account. So the name of your account, then your followers, the type of music you play, and all the rest of them. Then the turntable. This one is majorly for DJs. Yes, for the disc jockey guys. Like if you want to play around with your tunes, you want to play around with so many things. So you can actually use turntable for that. You want to play around with your music and all the rest of them. So you can, that's turntable. You can use turntable for that. So you want to create new, maybe you want to create a new section, you can just come back here. So send your prompt. So if you want to check the list of songs you've already produced so far, come back to songs. So this is the one I just produced today. These two ones are the ones I played the other time. So you can actually make use of flow music to produce any song of your choice. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next one.